Do you want to print out an important document, but right when you send the request off, you suddenly encounter an error message that says, Windows PDF printer error, invalid font when printing. Now if you're wondering how to tackle this error, you can watch this video tutorial to learn how. Now this issue might often be caused by a temporary glitch in your PDF reader. So, the first thing you should try to do is restart the PDF reader by closing and reopening it. Like for an example, if you're using Adobe Acrobat Reader, click the Close option in the top right corner and exit the application. Now from there, then reopen the application by typing Adobe Reader from the Start menu search bar. Additionally, you can configure the preferences settings in the Adobe Reader. You can do it by opening Adobe Acrobat Reader in the Start menu, then click Menu in the top left corner, and then select Preferences. Next, select the Page Display category on the left-hand side panel, and tick the Use Local Fonts box. From there, click the Smooth Text drop-down menu and select for laptop or LCD screens. Finally, press OK to save these changes. Lastly, you can change the file format before printing. So try printing your document as an image by opening the file location of the document. Right-click, choose Adobe, choose Open with Adobe, click File, choose Print, click Advanced, and check the Print as Image option, then press OK. And those are the following ways on how to fix Windows PDF printer error invalid font when printing in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.